This is what module 2 life process. In that module 2, what is given? In autotrophic nutrition means what beta? Plants. Plants શું કરે? આપણે વાત થયેલી ને yesterday. In autotrophic nutrition meaning plants, right? Green plants. They have green leaves. Organism take in inorganic substance from surrounding. What is inorganic substance? Like carbon dioxide, water. Inorganic meaning direct naturally મળે છે, કોઈ living organism માંથી નહીં મળતું, naturally occurs. It is called inorganic material. So take meaning plants, this is living organism, take inorganic substance, okay, and it is convert into organic food, taking or inorganic and convert into organic. What is organic? The made by plants, the made by living organism is called organic, right? So in this scenario it is converted into. In autotrophic nutrition what happened? In autotrophic nutrition what happened? So living organism meaning plants, autotrophic meaning plants, some bacteria, fungi is there, but mainly what? Algae also is there. So mainly what? Plants convert inorganic substance. Kaya inorganic substance છે? Like carbon dioxide, water, and convert into which type of substance? Organic food. It is called what? Autotrophic nutrition. What happened? Understood? In autotrophic, Anna. So next one point here given, you can say like that. So next is, for example, here given, right? This is most important. This is, you know, basic structure, animation of plants. Here given, using the sunlight, green plant using the sunlight, in presence of sunlight, take in carbon dioxide, this is organic, from the environment, right? From the air by stomata. The plants take carbon dioxide from the air, and the plants need water. In environment, air માં બહુ જ બધું water છે, so much water is there, but plant take water only from soil, and another inorganic substance water takes by the roots and roots to leaves, and this using carbon dioxide and water, the plants convert into organic food, so by a process known as photosynthesis. What is the full name? Process name is here photosynthesis. Photo meaning using the light. So in presence of sunlight, plants synthesize meaning prepare, yeah, made it using. So in presence of sunlight, plant make, meaning green plants make food, organic food, by using inorganic substance, and this whole process is called photosynthesis. And this type of mode of nutrition, because here the plants is not dependent on other living organism, plant એ other living માંથી કઈ વસ્તુ લે છે એવું નથી હોતું, so that's why it is called autotrophic nutrition. શું કહે છે બેટા? Autotrophic nutrition. બરાબર? The needed material take inside the body is called nutrition, and like that, right, plants make their own food, it is called autotrophic. Okay, auto meaning self and trophic meaning nutrition. Next, so how we define autotrophic nutrition? This is the definition given. Autotrophic nutrition is mode of nutrition in which organism synthesize their own organic food. આપણે જે ફૂડ કહીએ છીએ બેટા, ફ્રૂટ કહીએ યા ગ્રેન્સ છે, everybody is called organic food, right? So autotrophy is mode of nutrition in which organism synthesize, they જાતે બનાવે, they are not depend to other, synthesize their own organic food, right? Produce. Such organism are called autotrophs. Most of plant and some bacteria, those I already told you. Most of plants and some bacteria are what? Autotrophs. Okay, only green. Most of plants કીધું એટલે શું? Green plants, right? Some plants are like you know the Kaskata, Amarvel. This is plant છે, but green નથી, તો they not do photosynthesis. Okay, everybody, take a screenshot. Now, but this is autotrophic. But some organisms, they can, some so many organisms which cannot prepare their own food. Like we are prepare our food. Sir, મમ્મી ઘરે બનાવે છે, એ પ્રિપેર ફૂડ નથી કરતા. They cook the food. They cook the food. Prepare मतलब fruit બનાવે છે, wheat બનાવે છે, rice બનાવે છે? No. They are organism cannot prepare their own food. Right? They depend on other organism for their food. Right? We are depend on the plants for food. Right? This is the example. Check it. Deer, lion, monkey. Right? They are depend on the other. Panda, you can check. Ant. All are depend on the other. All are depend on the other. Yes or no? So like that, check it. Okay. They all the need, like some other animals હોય, other living organism હોય. આપણે plants ને કહીએ છીએ, lion, deer ને કહે છે, the living છે, right? So this mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic nutrition. વાત કરી હતી ને yesterday, heterotrophic કહેવાય, heterotrophic બી કહેવાય. Heterotrophic nutrition. This mode of nutrition is known as heterotrophic nutrition. Understood what is heterotrophic? So some organisms are which they are not, some organisms are not prepare their own food. They depend on other organism for their food. This type of nutrition is called as heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, understood everybody? What is meaning of hetero? Depending on other. Tropic meaning nutrition. Right? હમણાં what હતું? Self બનાવે છે. This is dependent. Right? So all animal, fungi, right? Fungi bhi કહે છે, fungi bhi કહે છે. They are the heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophs કહેવાય છે. Right? And they are taking what? Heterotrophic. So in heterotrophic nutrition, what happen? Different organism use different strategies to obtain food depend upon. એટલે બધા એક જ મેથડ થી ખાય છે. They take a food from same method? No. We are use plant product, we are use animal product. Yes or no? Milk છે, everybody milk, butter, cheese, paneer એ શું છે? Animal products. या plant product શું છે? રોટી, ચાવલ, everything is what? Plants product. બંને કહે છે. Like lion, they are depend on only meat of the other animals. તો એ બધું શું થયું? Depend on the strategy. Depend on the strategy. Right? So here, so the depend on the upon what? Body design. Beta small like a amoeba given. They have teeth. Now when a single cell, so how they? So different organ use different cell to obtain food. So depend on what? Body design. Depend on the body design. Second is what? So આની અંદર શું હશે કે herbivores need food compared to carnivores based on digestive rate. Right? Herbivorous and carnivorous. Now what is meaning of herbivorous and carnivorous? Herbivorous is what? Those animals depend on only and only plant products. Only and only plant products is called herbivorous plant. Right? Herbivorous animals. So क्या है बेटा? Herbivorous animal, they are only and only depend on the plants food. Plants માંથી direct food માંથી લેતા, like grass खाता હોય, directly plants product खाता है. Right? હવે છે carnivorous. Carnivorous is which type? They are only and only depend on small animal या other animals. They cannot eat the plants. This is called diners. So both have food is different. They have both body design different. Right? So their food will be different and digestive system different છે. Body design different છે. તો બંને digestive system છે. કે herbivores માં શું different થાય? તો herbivores have a long intestine. Then carnivores have a small intestine. Right? કે long, જે small intestine છે long છે. Right? જ્યારે carnivores માં જે small intestine is very small છે. because digestion માં long time period ની જરૂર નથી હોતી carnivorous માટે, right? For example, herbivorous have a long intestine as compared to carnivorous have a small intestine. Okay, કેમ small હોય છે? કેમ કે એમાં ડાયજેશન ઈઝી થાય છે કાર્નિવરસ ને as compared to herbivorous. Understood what is herbivorous and carnivorous? Herbivorous only depend on the plants, their carnivorous is depend on the only and only other animals meat. Short intestine. Therefore, herbivorous eat grass, whereas carnivorous eat flesh. Flesh એટલે flesh meaning what? Flesh meaning what? Mass છે, meat કહેવાય બેટા. Right? They are eating what? Flesh and mass. Understood everybody? What is herbivorous and what is carnivorous? Do you understood na? Whereas. Next, organization. Right? Type of organism. Type of organism meaning what? કે બેટા they are only one cell છે या બહુ બધા સેલ છે? Multicellular, unicellular. Just I talk to you amoeba. Sir, amoeba only one cell છે, એના teeth ક્યાંથી હોય? We cannot see amoeba by our naked eye. આપણે આખથી જોઈ નહીં શકતા. એની માટે કેવું ફૂડ આવશે? કેવી રીતે ફૂડ આવશે? અમીબા, પેરામેશિયમ. Unicellular they are. And multicellular, they have particular organs for it. તો એની સ્ટ્રક્ચર અલગ હશે બેટા. Yeah, this is the example of amoeba given. This is the example of amoeba, right? Unicellular have a different word, whereas multicellular different word. Yes or no? આપણે આવે છે ને એવું particular mouth, eating, digestive system is their absorption. પેલામાં direct થશે. This is the different. Now functioning. So depend on the whether the organism saprotop or parasites. Now parasitic and saprophytic or saprophytic what? Saprophytic was what? Right? Availability of food. Saprophytic is what? Saprophytic or parasitic was? They are depend on other animals. Like for example, you can see the mosquito. Right? They are depend on other animals na, like we. થાય છે ને biting કરે છે આપણને. Like lice, જુ આવે છે. Right? So they are what? Depend on the unaware. Parasitic. Parasitic what? Some bacteria are only and only grow in a what? Dead decay part. Parasitic કહેવાય છે. Right? Now availability of food material. આપણે જોઈએ બેટા આપણા ઘરે જે વસ્તુ અવેલેબલ હોય એ જ ખાઈએ છીએ કે નહીં? So same. Depend on the material available. They are growing in that place. The good material available or not. If not available, they are not great. For example, in a forest, for lion, if does not have enough amount of meat, then they can grow. No. After some time, the reproduction of tiger limited, અને પછી they are exist થઈ જશે, એટલે બહાર નીકળી જશે tigers. પણ એમને મટીરિયલ, ફૂડ મટીરિયલ, તો availability of food material is depend. So depend on the what is the type of food material available around the organism. એટલે એ જે ટાઈમે જે ફૂડ્સ મળતો ને એ પ્રમાણે એમનું ગ્રોથ હતો. એ ટાઈપના આપણે અમુક જગ્યાએ કેમ સમ એનિમલ હોય છે, આપણે ત્યાં કેમ નથી હોતા? તો ડિપેન્ડ ઓન ધ ફૂડ અવેલેબિલિટી. Depend on the food availability. Okay, this is the important condition given for the what? The types of food. The total different type of condition given. What the different type of condition given beta? Ana different type of condition के body design, organism, functioning and availability of food. These four criteria give the idea about any heterotrophic nutrition happen or which type of animals they can live in that particular area. બધાને સેમ સ્મોલ ઇન્ટેસ્ટાઇન છે? નો. બધાને સેમ ટાઈપ ઓફ બોડી ડિઝાઇન છે? નો. ને તો બધા એનિમલ સેમ દેખાતા. હ્યુમન, ટાઈગર, બર્ડ્સ, એવરી આર સેમ. ફિશ, નો. ફિશ વોટર માંથી લે છે. Depend on the surrounding food availability also is there, right? So this is the next condition here given beta. Next here third module is given, continue so onward. Given in third module you are learning is that third module meaning three types, certain type of. Okay, what happen when they take a food? Food લઈએ તો શું થાય છે? Right? What happen when we take a food? What happen when we take food? Food લઈએ તો કંઈક તો થતું હશે ને? Yes or no? What happen when we take a food? You should learn in third point. Right? In module 3, you are learn this, meaning lecture 3, you are learn this. Some organism break down food into systems and outside the body. Now other dependent typing given. શું કરે બેટા? સમ ઓર્ગેનિઝમ કે બોડીની બહારની બાજુ ફૂડને બ્રેકડાઉન કરશે. આપણે અંદર કરીએ છીએ કેમનું? વી ટેક ફૂડ ઇનસાઇડ બાય માઉથ, યસ ઓર નો? બટ સમ ઓર્ગેનિઝમ બ્રેક ડાઉન ફૂડ ઇન્ટુ સિમ્પલ સબસ્ટેન્સ આઉટસાઇડ બોડી, બહાર જ ડાયજેસ્ટ કરવાનું, આપણે બોડીની અંદર જાય છે. એન્ડ ધેન એબ્સોર્બ્સ ઇટ, like fungi, like yeast and mushroom and some carnivorous plant. યાદ છે carnivorous and picture plant, right? Carnivorous plant. Plant which feed an insect is called carnivorous plant, right? Check. Some organism break down in food into simple substance outside the body and then absorb is called, right? તો yeast and mushroom શું કરે છે? યાદ છે ને, બિલાડીનો ટોપ કહે છે ચોમાસામાં થશે, some dead and decay parts પર, they are carnivorous. Check mushroom, યાદ છે ને આવું બિલાડીનો ટોપ, you see this, હા ના? Check how the food particles, suppose it like dead and decay part માં food is there, they secrete the juices, enzyme, digestive enzyme, એને શું કહે છે બેટા? digestive enzyme. એ શું કરશે? complex substance convert into simple substance. Enzyme, this release the enzymes, right? And this enzyme digest the food. This enzyme digest the food, right? This enzyme digest the food and convert into simple substance, right? Convert into simple substance, right? And after conversion, it is absorption. It is absorption. Another type, right? Another type. Some organ break down food inside the body, like we. They absorb then absorb it, like human being, cat, cow. આપણે બોડીની અંદર લઈ, in stomach, in small intestine, digestion happen and from small intestine it is absorbed inside the body.